Good morning everybody. Today we are taking the first online class of this academic year. The subject is mathematics. I shall try to make the class very interesting to you. Let us learn mathematics and enjoy mathematics. If you have any doubts, you can ask questions any time. Let us start our lesson. Today I am taking the first chapter, number system. The first chapter, number system. Before that, I recall your previous knowledge. The previous years or last year, you have already studied the different types of numbers. Okay, you know that. The first one is natural numbers, or one more name is there, counting numbers. And the first one is natural numbers. Natural numbers or counting numbers. You already studied this number. Natural numbers and counting numbers. The collection of numbers 1, 2, 3, 4, etc. are called natural numbers or counting numbers. Collection of numbers 1, 2, 3, 4, etc. are called natural numbers or counting numbers. Okay, second one, that is whole numbers. Whole numbers. Natural numbers including 0 are called whole numbers. Natural numbers, you know, 1, 2, 3, 4, etc. Including 0 means 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, etc. are called whole numbers. That is, collection of numbers 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, etc. are called whole numbers. Second type of numbers are whole numbers. That is 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, etc. are called whole numbers. Then first one is natural numbers or counting numbers. That is a collection of numbers, you know, 1, 2, 3, 4, etc. are called natural numbers. Or other name is counting numbers. Okay. Second one is whole numbers. That is natural numbers including 0. That is a collection of numbers 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, etc. are called whole numbers. The third one that you know, that is integers. Third one is integers. Integers. That is natural numbers 1, 2, 3, 4, etc. Whole numbers 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, etc. Then integers means whole numbers including negative numbers. Whole numbers, you know, 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, etc. including negative numbers are called integers. That is, integers, the collection of numbers 1, 2, 3, 4, etc. Or we can say that positive numbers 1, 2, 3, 4, etc. and 0 and negative numbers minus 1, minus 2, minus 3, etc. Collection of all these numbers are called integers. That is, integers. Third one is integers. We can written as the collection of numbers minus 3, minus 2, minus 1, 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, etc. Or we can written as collection of numbers 0, plus or minus 1, plus or minus 2, plus or minus 3, etc. are called integers. And integers means positive numbers 0 and negative numbers. That is, collection of positive numbers 0 and negative numbers are called integers. Okay, that is, collection of positive numbers 0 and negative numbers are called integers. Okay, first one is natural numbers or counting numbers. The collection numbers 1, 2, 3, 4, etc. are called natural numbers. Second one is whole numbers. Natural numbers including 0 are called whole numbers. That is the collection numbers 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, etc. Okay. Then integers. Integers means whole numbers including negative numbers, or collection of positive numbers, negative numbers including 0 are called integers. Then we can represent the numbers are this way, you know, we can represent these numbers on a number line that you already studied. Okay, I will explain after that. Then 0, plus or minus 1, plus or minus 2, plus or minus 3, etc. are called integers. Then the next, fourth one is, you know that, what is fourth one? Rational numbers. Rational numbers. Yeah, rational numbers, a number which can be written the form P by Q, where P and Q are integers. Where P and Q are integers and Q not equal to 0 are called integers. Listen, a number which can be written the form P by Q, where P and Q are integers and Q not equal to 0 are called a rational number. A number having a numerator and denominator, and the denominator is not equal to 0, and the numerator and the denominator are integers. That type of numbers are called a rational number. A number which can be written the form P by Q, where P and Q are integers and Q not equal to 0 are called a rational numbers. Okay, for example, we can write 2 by 3, 4 by 3, 7 by 8, 1 by 2, 2, 3, minus 4, 0, all are integers. Listen here, first one, 2 by 3 is in the form P by Q, where P is Q and Q is 3. It is in the form P by Q, where Q not equal to 0. This is a rational number. 4 by 3, same as this is a rational number. 7 by 8, same as this is a rational number. For this one, we can plus minus 1 by 2. This is the form P by Q, where P and Q are P is equal to minus 1, it is an integer. Q is equal to 2, it is an integer. It is in the form P by Q. It is also a rational number. Then 2 is a rational number. Yes, why? Because 2 we can replace, denominator is always 1. It is in the form P by Q, where P and Q are integers and Q not equal to 0 are called rational numbers. Therefore, 2 is a rational number. Yes, 3 is also in the form 3 by 1. It is a rational number. Minus 4, okay, it is also written as minus 4 by 1. It is a rational number. 0 is also a rational number. So, what is the conclusion? From here we get all natural numbers are integers, rational numbers, and all whole numbers are rational numbers, and all integers are rational numbers. Understood? One more time I explain. Rational number, a number which can be written in the form P by Q. That means that number having a numerator and denominator, and the denominator is not equal to 0. That type of numbers are called rational numbers. Here I am taking some examples: 2 by 3, 4 by 3, 7 by 8, minus 1 by 2, and 2, 3, minus 4, 0, etc. All are rational numbers. Because this whole numbers and the natural numbers always having denominator is 1. Therefore, it is always in the form P by Q and Q not equal to 0. Therefore, all natural numbers are rational numbers, all whole numbers are rational numbers, and all integers are rational numbers. Okay, one more definition you want to study from this rational number. A number which can be written the form P by Q, where P and Q are integers and Q not equal to 0. One more definition. P and Q have no common factor other than 1. P and Q have no common factor other than 1. Or we can say that P and Q are co-prime numbers. You know what is co-prime numbers? What are co-prime numbers? Two numbers having only one as a common factor. Then we say that the two numbers are co-prime numbers. For example, 2 and 3. 2. What are the factors of 2? Only 1 and 2. 2 and 3, sorry. Then 3. What are the factors of 3? Factors of 2. Factors of 3 is equal to 1 and 3. Here, what is the common factor here? Only 1. So, we can say that 2 and 3 are co-prime numbers. Understood? So, one more definition is a rational number. If P and Q have no common factor other than 1, then we call it as a rational number. For example, 1 by 2. Having only 1 as a common factor, the numerator 1 and denominator 2. Yes, it is a rational number. Another example, I am taking 3 by 6. Is it a rational number? Yes, it is a rational number. But 3 and 6 having common factor 3 is there. We have to study 3 and 6 are co-prime. So we will cut and write 3 1s are 3, 3 2s are 6. That is equal to 1 by 2. It is also a rational number. Okay, by a number which can be written in the form P by Q, where P and Q are integers and Q not equal to 0 are called a rational number. One more definition is there. We have to add this here. P and Q are co-prime numbers. That is, numerator and denominator having only 1 as a common factor. So, if 3 and 6 are the multiple of 1 by 2, so cut and write we will get the form P by Q and P and Q are co-prime numbers. Co-prime numbers means two numbers having only 1 as a common factor. That numbers are called co-prime numbers. All consecutive natural numbers are co-prime numbers. 5 and 6 co-prime numbers. Okay, 6 and 7 co-prime numbers. With two numbers having only 1 as a common factor, then that two numbers are called co-prime numbers. One side I explain this introduction. Okay, first one is natural numbers or counting numbers. Types of numbers. First one is natural numbers or counting numbers. The collection of numbers 1, 2, 3, 4, etc. are called natural numbers. Okay. Second one is whole numbers. Natural numbers including 0. That is a collection of numbers 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, etc. are called whole numbers. Next one is integers. Integers. Whole numbers including negative numbers, or the collection of negative numbers, positive numbers and including 0 are called whole numbers. Fourth one is rational numbers. A number which can be written in the form P by Q, where P and Q are integers and Q not equal to 0 are called rational number. For example, 1 by 2, 3 by 7, 4 by 3 and 2 or minus 4 or 0 all are rational numbers. And P and Q are co-prime numbers. You know co-prime numbers? Two numbers having only 1 as a common factor is called co-prime numbers. Okay? Today we will explain only this introduction. Next class we will start our lesson. Okay? Thank you all.